Hi everybody, my name is Liz Taylor and today I'm going to show you a little tutorial on the Stark Naked palette. We are going to start by priming the eye with the Tori Belle primer. Once we have the primer on, we're actually going to go with the palette and we're going to use the alabaster color. And we're going to kind of set our eye with that alabaster color. And it's just very faint, very light, almost a pale white. It's just going to be our base. After that, we're going to go in with the blush and we're going to go start at the outer corner and brush inwards into the crease. And we're going to kind of blend this corner to crease, corner to crease. We're going to go slow, remember, and we're doing it in light layers always. Then I'm going to go in with the Nubian, same place from the outer corner in towards the inner corner with the crease. And we're going to go slow and steady and in light layers. I'm just brushing off any excess color. Then I'm actually going to take my finger and go in with the alabaster. And I'm just going to kind of put that right on my lid, just set it on. And then I'm going to blend a little bit, blend in towards that with the blush. Just kind of put it all together. Then back to the alabaster, and I'm just going to go kind of give a little shape to my eyebrow and kind of give a little definition there. Then I'm going to take another smaller thin brush and I'm going to go underneath starting with the blush and then with the Nubian, just to give a little color and bring together the eye so there's some color underneath the eye as well. And we're just going to continue to blend that top back with the blush a little bit. I'm then going to take the Ivory Glow and I'm going to go in the inner corners of my eye and below my eyebrows for some highlight. So we're going to get ready for the lashes. I'm going to do a coat of liner. It's the magnetic Tori Belle liner. You are going to do 2 coats of this and you're going to make sure that it dries very well between coats. So again, that is 2 coats of the liner. I'm just doing some things in between while it dries. I threw on a little bit of bronzer. Also going to do my nose a little bit with some bronzer. I'm going to go back to the palette and I'm actually going to highlight my nose a little bit with that palette with the Ivory Glow. And then I took the Rosy Glow in the middle and kind of did a little bit on my cheeks. And then I also highlighted the my cheek with that as well. And then of course the lashes for the final touch.